Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I bought this from Amazon. As you can see, it's include the several different color with just changing the color, and now you can see the color on that. Now it is the red color. Let me show you at this angle. It's just my camera is flash on, and it's because of that reason, but there's a different color and level. Keyboard don't have a delay. Connection here is tiny stuff. You can put your iPad there and turn it, keep it tight, and because these are, as you see, changing rotation. And the other things is a touchpad, and I didn't receive my iPad, but I tried this my iPhone 14 Pro Max. As you can see, there is no delay, but touchpad, this one is not working. I'm not sure why, because I used the other kind of the keyboard. They worked here on my iPhone 14 Pro Max, but anyway, I'm sure it's working because I saw other of my friends, they work with this one, but it is the maybe bad one because it's not competitive with all the version. And it's a back side, as you can see here, they have an angle. I like it. And this is the back side, and this is the bottom side. I like it. And here they wrote right here, there's a 5 watt. This is a USB-C connection. And totally it's good. I like it. Quality seems to be good. And yes, that's it. And also easy to work. And this is the power. It's the wireless connection, and all of the stuff is very good. Again, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.